Salto is now connected to your business platform and you're ready to start leveraging its power to make changes. So let's do it. I've connected this Salto environment to a NetSuite account, and in that NetSuite account we have a list of lessons from a course that we developed. But we'd like to rename lesson to chapter. We can do that using Salto. In Salto, I'll navigate to compare and deploy. I'll change the dropdown to edit and environment and click the button. I'll choose the environment that I want to change and give my change a title. From here, I can search my configuration to find my custom list. I can edit my custom list. This shows us the Nockle file for the list, which I can edit like any other text file. I can also search within the file using Control F or Command F. And I want to search for everywhere that lesson appears so that I can replace it with chapter. I've replaced it in every display field, and I've left the internal scripting ID fields alone for now. As I make changes to the file, Salto will periodically save it on its own. And once I've made all my changes, I simply click Preview Deployment. Salto will build a deployment package containing my changes, and it will validate those changes against the target account. We did not detect any problems here. And once I am ready, I simply click Deploy to push the changes to my target account. Once deployment is complete, over in NetSuite, we can see that our custom list now uses the word chapter instead of lesson. You've now made your first edit using Salto.